Rural Economics Chapter 10. Today let us see the problems of rural economy. So rural areas are facing number of problems. What do you mean by rural area? Rural areas are geographical areas located outside towns and cities. So the areas away or the areas located outside towns and cities are called as rural areas. So rural economy refers to villages and rural community refers to the people living in the villages. Rural areas are facing many problems. Problems relating to people, problems relating to agriculture, infrastructure, economy, society and culture, leadership, administration. The problems of rural areas are discussed below. So what are the problems of rural economy? People related problems, agriculture related problems, infrastructural related problems. Then we have economics related problems, social and cultural problems, leadership related problems, administrative problems. First to see is people related problems. People related problems. The problems related to individuals and the standard of living consists of illiteracy. So it may be the illiteracy of the people or the lack of technical know-how. They'll be lacking in technical knowledge, how to use certain instruments or equipments or machinery. Low level of confidence and the dependence on sentiments and beliefs can be categorized under people related problems. Next, we have agriculture related problems. The problems related to agriculture include lack of expected awareness. There is not enough exposure or awareness among the villagers about agriculture. They do not have knowledge. They don't have proper skills. It may be unavailability of inputs. The inputs needed for agriculture, maybe plowing tools, machinery or water or land. So unavailability of inputs, poor marketing facility. Sometimes the farmers will produce everything, but after the harvest, they will not be able to sell their products in the market. They will not have proper marketing facility. They will not have proper storage facilities. The size of the land holding may be very small. Small size of the land holding or subdivision and fragmentation of land holdings. They will not have proper infrastructure to work and to stay in the rural areas. Primitive technology, low adoption of modern technologies. Farmers will not be willing to use modern technologies. Then the absence of role of farmers in fixing the prices for their own products. They will not be able to fix the prices of the products. So these are all agriculture related problems. So under problems of rural economy, first we saw people related problems. Next, agriculture related problems. Third one is infrastructural related problems. Infrastructure means அடிப்படை வசதிகள். கிராமத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அடிப்படை வசதிகள். It may be water, electricity. Even now, so many villages are without electricity. They do not have proper transport facility. Educational institutions are not seen in villages. Small children have to walk for kilometers. They have to walk several kilometers to attend school. They do not have communication facility. Health problems, even if they have health problems, they do not have medicines or hospitals or clinics situated inside the villages. Employment is a big problem. They have disguised unemployment, open unemployment. Storage facility is lacking. They do not have banking facility, insurance, facilities are not available in the rural areas. So these are infrastructural related problems. Next, we have economics related problems. The economics related problems in rural areas are inability to adopt high cost of technology. Already the farmer is in debt. As Malcolm Darling has said, a farmer is born in debt, he lives in debt, and he dies in debt. So how come he can adopt to high cost of technology? He will not be able to afford that. High cost of inputs. Underprivileged rural industries. The rural industries are very primitive. Low income, indebtedness, and existence of inequality in land holdings and assets. And in fertile areas, a few absentee landlords own large area. Most of the land is infertile. If you find fertile area, the landlord is absent, but the landlord is having a large area of land, and the landlord does not evince greater interest in improving the performance of agriculture. That is the landlord. The absentee landlord is not showing any interest in improving the performance of agriculture. These are all economics related problems. Next, we have leadership related problems. The specific leadership related problems found in rural areas are leadership among the hands of inactive and incompetent people. லீடர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, ஆனால் அந்த லீடர்ஸ் எப்படிப்பட்டவர்களாக இருக்காங்க? ஆக்டிவாக இருக்க மாட்டாங்க. தே வில் பி வெரி இன்ஆக்டிவ், இன்கம்பீட்டன்ட். இன்கம்பீட்டன்ட்னா என்னது? போட்டி எல்லாத்தையும் செய்யணும், நம்ம அக்ரிகல்ச்சரல் செக்டார் முன்னுக்கு வரணும், அந்த மனப்பான்மை இல்லாதவர்கள் தான் லீடராக இருக்காங்க. Selfish interest of the leaders. Leaders will be interested only for their own benefits. They will not be bothered about the villages. நான் பணக்காரனாக இருக்கணும், என் குடும்பம் நல்லா இருக்கணும். ஸோ செல்ஃப் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த லீடர்ஸ், bias political will, less bargaining power, dominance of political leaders are leadership related problems. Sometimes there will be leaders, but they will be supporting a particular political party. So that political party will be ruling the farmers. Nowadays, look at the plight of the farmers. They are on strike in Delhi for several months, but they are not able to achieve anything because the political power is more. The farmers are unable to, or they are not able to do anything. They are unable to do anything. So these are all leadership related problems. Next, we have administrative problems. The rural administrative problems consist of political interference, lack of motivation and interest, low wages in villages, improper utilization of budget. In budget, they would have given certain amount for agriculture, but they will not be using it properly. Absence of monitoring and implementation of rural development programs are also lacking in rural areas. They will have lot of programs, but are they implementing the programs for rural development? No. நிறைய ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் வச்சுருப்பாங்க, பட்ஜெட்டில் நிறைய ஒதுக்கீடு இருக்கும், ஆனால் அது எவ்வளோ தூரத்துக்கு ஃபார்மர்ஸ்க்கு போய் சேருது, ரூரல் ஏரியாவில் இருக்க பீப்புளுக்கு எவ்வளோ போய் சேருது, அது வேற யாரும் அதை எடுத்துக்கிறாங்களா? ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேட்டிவ் related problems. So we have seen the problems of rural economy, people related problems, agriculture related problems, infrastructure related problems, economics related problem, leadership related problems, and administrative problems. So question number 39. Discuss the problems of rural economy. Discuss the problems of rural economy. So the answer for this question is found here. The problems of rural economy. In your textbook, the answer is given under 6 side headings. So you have to write all the 6 side headings. Okay.